This video we will see the product review of Sony WH 520 wireless headphones. The Sony WH 520 wireless on-ear Bluetooth headphones are designed for music lovers who value comfort, portability and high quality sound. It has advanced features like digital sound enhancement engine for richer audio, up to 50 hours of battery life and multi-point connectivity. These headphones provide an excellent listening experience at an affordable price. They also support voice assistants and can be customized using the Sony Headphones Connect app. If you want to buy this headphone, check the link in this video description. Key features of Sony WH 520. This headphone support up to 50 hours playtime. You can enjoy long listening sessions without worrying about frequent charging. This headphone support DSEE technology, which enhances the sound quality of your compressed audio files to near high resolution levels. This headphone support multi-point connectivity. You can pair with two devices at the same time for seamless switching between calls and media, meaning you can pair your headphone with phone and laptop simultaneously. This headphone support voice assistant and it is compatible with Google Assistant and Siri for hands-free control. When you unbox, you will see Sony WH 520 headphone, USB Type-C charging cable, quick start guide and warranty card. Now we will see the technical specifications. Driver unit is 30 mm, battery life is up to 50 hours playtime, 3 minutes quick charge for 1 hour playtime. Charging port is USB Type-C. Weight is approximately 147 gram. Bluetooth version is 5.2 and this headphone support multi-point connectivity and this headphone has built-in mic for calls and this headphone support Sony Headphones Connect app. Now we will see the advantages of this headphone. Excellent battery life, perfect for long trips or busy schedules. Lightweight design, comfortable even during extended use. Multi-point connectivity, make switching between devices hassle-free. DSEE technology, enhances audio quality effectively. Limitations to consider. On-ear design, may not provide as much as noise isolation as this headphone is over-ear headphone. No ANC. It lacks advanced noise cancelling features. Plastic build, feels less premium compared to high-end models. Now we will see the pricing details. In US dollars, it is 48 to $60. In Indian price, it is 4,500 to 5,500 rupees. Now we will see the customer feedback. First one is battery life. Many users appreciate the long-lasting battery. The second one is sound quality. The DSEE feature is priced for improving the clarity and richness of the audio. Third one is comfort. Lightweight design makes it suitable for all-day use. Fourth one is value for money. Customers feel the headphones offer a great mix of features at an affordable price. Now we will see final verdict. The Sony WH 520 is an excellent choice for those looking for affordable wireless headphones with good sound quality and great battery life. While this headphone lacks ANC and premium materials, its lightweight design, DSEE audio enhancement, and dual pairing make it a versatile option for everyday use. This headphone is ideal for casual listeners, students, and commuters. These headphones deliver a lot for their price.